All right, what I've got here is 1/2 inch milled down, and you'll see, or you may have noticed on the jointer, started with a face, moved on to an edge, making sure that that fence is perfectly square. That's your order of operations. You always joint a face, then an edge. And if you want to, you can mark that corner so you don't lose that square corner, and then you take it over to the thickness planer and get it down to the proper thickness before you come to the table saw and you cut it into your proper widths. So I'll get 2 pieces out of here, and those will be the pieces that are going to bridge across the bottom of that Ikea shelf. And then this, I'm going to get more than what I need for legs out of this, but I did that on purpose because I may be doing this again on a bigger unit if everything goes well with this. So that is the steps of getting your rough hardwood down to something workable. I'm just going to do one last thing here. I'm going to cut it down to the sizes I'm looking for, and that will be that. Now, I'm not going to do that yet. I don't actually know what sizes I'm looking for here. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of calculating, and then I'll get back to you.